Hello and welcome to our channel where we simplify financial solutions and help you secure your future. In today's video, we are going to explore LIC's new and powerful savings and protection plan, Navjeevan Shree Plan 912. Whether you're looking to build a secure financial corpus, protect your family or plan for long-term goals, this plan might be just what you need. So stay tuned till the end to understand the full benefits, features and eligibility of this policy. Let's begin. LIC's Navjeevan Shree is a non-participating, non-linked individual life savings plan. It offers an attractive combination of savings and protection, ideal for individuals aiming to create an adequate corpus for future financial needs. This is a limited premium endowment plan with guaranteed additions designed to help you achieve both life cover and maturity benefits over time. Key features: protection plus savings in one policy, guaranteed additions at the end of each policy year as a percentage of the total tabular annual premium, flexibility to choose your risk cover with two sum assured on death options, multiple premium payment terms. You can also choose your protection term, option to receive maturity or death benefit in installments, enhance your protection with riders benefits, special incentives for higher sum assured, existing policyholders, nominees of deceased policyholders, liquidity support via loan facility, eligibility criteria and restrictions, minimum age at entry 30 days completed, maximum age at entry 60 years nearer birthday for premium payment terms 6, 8, 10, 59 years nearer birthday for premium payment terms 12, minimum age at maturity 18 years completed, maximum age at maturity 75 years nearer birthday, premium payment term 6, 8, 10 and 12 years. Policy term 10 years for premium payment term 6, 15 years for premium payment term 8 and 10, 16 years for premium payment term 12. Maximum policy term 20 years for all premium payment terms. Sum assured minimum 5 lakh rupees, maximum no limit. Basic sum assured multiples of 10,000 rupees. Commencement of risk. For children below 8, risk starts after 2 years or on policy anniversary post 8 years. For 8+ years, risk starts immediately. Vesting. For minors, policy vests in their name at 18 years. Benefits under this plan. Death benefit. One of the biggest strengths of the LIC Navjeevan Shree plan is its customizable life cover through two options for death benefit. Option 1. Moderate protection with lower premium. Under this option, the sum assured on death will be the higher of the following two: 7 times the tabular annual premium multiplied by the modal adjustment factor, or the basic sum assured you have selected in the policy. Option 2. Higher protection for family security. This option provides a higher life cover, especially beneficial if you're the sole breadwinner or have larger financial responsibilities. Under option 2, the sum assured on death will be the higher of 10 times the tabular annual premium multiplied by the modal adjustment factor, or the basic sum assured. Let's take an example to understand better. Suppose you choose a basic sum assured of 10 lakh rupees and your annual premium is 1 lakh rupees. Under option 1, the death benefit would be 7 times 1 lakh rupees equals 7 lakh rupees. Basic sum assured equals 10 lakh rupees. So the sum assured on death equals 10 lakhs higher of the two. Under option 2, the death benefit would be 10 times 1 lakh rupees equals 10 lakh rupees. Basic sum assured equals 10 lakh rupees. So here too, sum assured on death equals 10 lakh rupees. But if your premium is lower or if you select a higher basic sum assured, the calculation might result differently. So choose the option that best suits your family family's protection needs. Maturity benefit. What does maturity benefit include? You will receive basic sum assured, also called sum assured or maturity, plus all the guaranteed additions added each year. Guaranteed additions, LIC NAV Jeevan Shree adds a fixed bonus every year called guaranteed additions to your policy. As long as you're paying premiums on time, these are added at the end of every policy year. Here's how much you get. For policy term 10 to 13 years, guaranteed additions 8.50% per year of total annual premium. For 14 to 17 years, 9.00% per year of total annual premium. For 18 to 20 years, 9.50% per year of total annual premium. These additions are calculated as a percentage of your total tabular annual premium, not including taxes. Options available. Rider benefit. You can enhance your plan's protection through the following riders: LIC's accidental death and disability benefit rider, LIC's accident benefit rider, LIC's new term assurance rider, LIC's premium waiver benefit rider. Premium payment. You can pay premiums yearly, half-yearly, quarterly or monthly only via NACH or via salary deductions. Grace period. 30 days for yearly, half-yearly and quarterly premiums, 15 days for monthly premium. Sample illustrative premium. Let's take an example for a 35-year-old Standard Life choosing 5 lakh rupees. Basic sum assured. Option 1. For a premium paying term of 6 years and a policy term of 10 years, the annual premium will be 1,01,350 rupees. For premium paying term of 6 years and policy term of 15 years, the annual premium will be 93,425 rupees. For premium paying term of 6 years and policy term of 20 years, the annual premium will be 76,750 rupees. For 8 years premium paying term and 15-year policy term, the annual premium will be 70,925 rupees. For 10 years premium paying term and 20 years policy term, the annual premium will be 55,600 rupees. For 12 years premium paying term and 20 years policy term, the annual premium will be 48,075 rupees. Option 2. For 6 years premium paying term and 10 years policy term, the annual premium will be 1,03,025 rupees. For 6 years premium paying term and 20 years policy term, the annual premium will be 81,150 rupees. For 10 years premium paying term and 20 years policy term, the annual premium will be 56,325 rupees. For premium paying term of 12 years and policy term of 20 years, the annual premium will be 48,075 rupees. Other benefits. Surrender. After 1 full year's premium is paid, policy can be surrendered. Loan. Available against the policy. Free look period. 30 days from policy receipt to review and return if unsatisfied. Premium after deductions is refunded. LIC's NAV Jeevan Shree is a well-balanced plan offering guaranteed growth, flexibility, rider benefits, and long-term security, all from a brand trusted by millions. It's ideal for those who prefer guaranteed returns without market risk and want to build a disciplined saving strategy for life's important milestones. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe for more such insurance and investment related content. Want to know more about the LIC NAV Jeevan Shree plan and how it can benefit you? Get a free consultation with our expert team today. We'll help you choose the right option based on your needs and financial goals. Contact us now for personalized assistance.